Ahem. Greetings, fellow educators and future fans of my expertise. Today, I'm here to share a groundbreaking discovery, something I personally uncovered after years of intense research, observation, and talking over people. There is a certain type of person in this world. You probably know them. Someone who knows everything. Someone who cannot resist explaining things no one asked about. Someone who gives you 47 facts before asking your name. Someone who tells you all about their kid, but doesn't know you have one. I call this rare creature the knower. You've met them, a coworker, a boss, a cousin at Thanksgiving. The person who starts every sentence with, "Well, actually," and here's the shocking truth. Ready? Drum roll. People don't care what the knower knows. Nope, not at all. Well, at least not until they know the knower cares. Wild, right? Truly revolutionary stuff. Now, of course, I don't have this problem. People love when I lecture for hours holding my giant binder of facts. I mean, who wouldn't? It's color-coded. But here's the takeaway. You know that knower, the fact dumper, the one who never shuts up. And deep down, you feel it. They don't really care about you. Not yet, because they haven't shown it. Now, here's the twist. Kids feel that too. In fact, children feel it faster and stronger than adults. They don't care how many strategies you know, how many trainings you've taken, how perfect your lesson plan is, or how beautifully you can recite the rules. If they don't feel your care, your connection, your warmth, your knowledge won't land. Your tools won't work. Your lessons won't stick. Your brilliance won't shine. Speaking of brilliance, let's continue my presentation because, yes, caring comes first. But don't worry, I'm still going to tell you everything I know, because I care enough to make you care about how much I know. Now let's begin.